Hey girl, hey, my name is Tatirenea and welcome back to another YouTube video. Woo woo. I don't know why I do that, but today I wanted to do like a polished everyday look because I'm going out with my cousins, my bloodline besties. So I want to look put together but not overly done. And I wanted to do a detail get ready with me. Y'all ready? Let's go. Okay, so base is key. So I'm going to start with the hydrating toner. The brand is Milk, I believe. After that toner has set a little bit, I'm going to go in with my face cream with SPF already in it. Go ahead and moisturize a little bit. What's some things y'all doing for Christmas? I'm really looking forward to today. We're going to like a village pop-up, Christmas pop-up shop out here in Dallas by North Park Mall. I am in love with this Maybelline skin tint, and I like to put it directly on my face so that my my skin can kind of heat it up a little bit so that it can match my skin tone a little bit better. And then I blend it in with the brush. And always like damp your brush with your setting spray or something. Don't ever use just a dry brush. Kind of blend it with my beauty blender, kind of press it into my skin a little bit. With my concealers, I spot conceal with this one and I like brighten it with this one. So I like to cover my under eyes. So that's why I put some right here first, even though I'm gonna highlight right there as well. So that's why I put both concealers. And it's okay, it's gonna all bleed. So, unless it's more with the concealer, you don't have to like go all the way over like we used to in the 90s or early 2000s. It's fine with just a little. Like a little small triangle down the nose. Ooh, Cupid bow, under chin, under lip. Okay, now I went to change so that the concealer could have time to sit. The more it sits, the more coverage it provides. Now I can blend it in. There's no rhyme or reason which way what to blend in first. I just blend. Tap into the skin. Blend in, tap it in, tap, tap, tap. Pressing it in. Just following the concealer. Going over it as much as I need to until I feel like it's blended in. But I know that the setting powder and the bronzer and contour and stuff is gonna help it blend too, so I don't have to like, you know, overdo it, but just to my liking. Then I always kind of bring it up so it can look, you know, like a uniform look, I guess you would say, with my eye, my inner corner, under eye. And one eye always look better than the other. One brow always look better than the other. My Laura Mercier under eye powder, highlighting powder, is already some on top, so I don't have to shake it or anything like that. And I got my powder puff. This is what I like to use because it's make it easy to get in the corners with the tip. I just kind of put it on there, tap it off, blow it off, and I'm pressing underneath my eye. Down my nose with the wrist, Cupid bow underneath chin, and I'm gonna do the other eye side. And then to blend it, I'm gonna blend it with my brush. Let me get my brush. And these are eco tools at Walmart, but I like Morphe brushes too. But these eco, that's a good starter. You know, if you're starting out and you don't want to invest too much until you get your technique down, eco brushes are good at Walmart. They're like bamboo. Actually, a lady that used to do my makeup, she the one that recommended them to me. So running out of storage, but I did cheek, jawline, my temple. This is my favorite blush. It's like the perfect pink. Smile. Then I like to use my eyeshadow for like my highlighter. I don't know, it just does sit for me. So I just put a little bit of the gold right here above my cheek bone. And I like to put a little down my nose, keep it bow. Now I have been getting into eyeshadows lately, but I still keep it like a neutral color. So I do like a light brown right here. I guess just to kind of like even, it's the same color as my skin tone, honestly. And then in the middle, I go in with a dark brown. And then I bring that down the bridge of my nose for a contour. It's just easier for me to follow it down my nose like that. And then, so I won't be too much brown, I'm gonna put like a champagne color on my lid to give it. So now I'm going to like try to wing my eyeliner, never come out right, and put my lashes on. I cannot do this on camera, so I'm gonna be right back. So I hope y'all seen my eyebrows. I cleaned it up. So I got my nude lip liner, my nude lip gloss, and I'm gonna blend in the liner a little bit in my lips. That way. It's like my lips, but a little bit better, like gloss. This is my favorite gloss by Twitches. It's called Model Nude. And yeah, setting spray. And we ready, baby. Let me clean my measuring, put on my accessories, take my hair down. Let's go. I am ready. Loving my curls. And yeah, I'm about to go chill with my cousin besties. Come on, y'all.